Everybody, this is Montgomery, and today I'm going to be showing you my global door closer. Show you something interesting. Yes, I preloaded the arm. I took a little bit out of the preload, so it'll do the latch. So it's still at the same speeds, but I want to show you something. Right now, it's doing a soft close. See? Watch this. We're going. We're going to focus. There we go. Here. Take the latch valve out. 2, 4. Turn. As with this sweet. As the sweet valve. Alright, now I backed out the valve 2 times on each valve. Now watch this. Some of you may think the door is just going to slam. Well, look at this. Watch how softly it closes. See, it does not slam the door. See? See, look. Sometimes it'll even do something like this, where it'll just softly close. But I mean, it's a beauty. I mean, I don't know how it softly closes, but it softly closes. Let's see what happens if I turn. Straighten out the valve. Now watch. There we go. And now it's wanting to do it slow. I just had to straighten the valve out. See? Watch from the latch perspective. See? I mean, my global is. See, it does not slam the door. It does not just slam the door. One more time like this, and then we will put fix it. You know what? One more time, and now we'll reset the speed. So anyways, that will be it.